Only if we are capable of inhabiting, we will be able to start living. A capability implying consciousness, a balance between the everyday and the ability of experience spaces. In the city, where the everyday happens like a shot, true innovation relies not in the haste of the rest of the world, but the potential to stop, to breathe, and to recognize ourselves as part of the environment. Our project was born in Wuhan, city of rivers and memories, in which past and future meets on a street with barely 5 meters of wideness. Here, where life happens between chaos and hope, vehicles, nature, and humans coexist with not enough harmony. Shinan not only needs structure, but an identity. We didn't come here to propose the remake of a street. Our goal is to reinvent and regenerate the life of the people. The proposal is thought to be like a breathing organism conformed by a three-level structure. The subterranean level, with the infrastructure skeleton, the main street, where the heart and the buildings exist, and last, the upper cover, where the sky and the people meet. Each layer responding to a need. Clever drainage, a community that participates in the generation of energy, and vegetation that can help in the filtration of air. The lower level houses a pumping sump to store and redistribute rainwater, renovate drainage, and generate underground logistic and energetic areas. We search for big vehicles to disappear from the surface, for a more humane and clean look, but giving the spaces for residents to have close their transport vehicles. It isn't a way to hide, but to harmonize and integrate the most needed part of a project, the infrastructure. Up above, the main street becomes a living and bright space. The tiles respond to the presence, each step generating energy. The flow is divided by necessity, yet coexisting. Pedestrian, bicycles, scooters in synchrony. The equipment and vegetation set the rhythm of a journey. At the top, an irregular yet fluid bridge, taking inspirations of the rivers on Wuhan, an organic structure that connects and protects, with pergolas absorbing the water, channeling it towards invisible cisterns and bringing freshness back to the space. Every sunbeam is energy, and every curve a new memory. Design isn't only organization, it reactivates. With enough decision of change, any module can be re-explored and reworked. The spaces become a canvas in which time and people can express a life. We achieved to rejuvenate Shinan, becoming a meeting point once again. Technology and traditions come together. Solar panels, local materials, cultural iconography, and a guidance with the use of tactical urbanism that can be changed by the passage of time. The street speaks of Wuhan, of tradition and history, but also how to decrease the gap between what it was left in the past and what might bring the future. Only if we are capable of inhabiting, we will be able to start living, and only deciding enough to care and change, we can inhabit. And Shinan can be the start of a new future built in identity. Let's start with new paradigms. Let's start with Fanship Project.